Hello, it's Monday the 23rd of May 2011 and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. The dollar advanced against most of the major currencies. The stock market fell last Friday and investors preferred to keep their money in a safe investment channel. The Nasdaq and the Dow fell by 0.71% and 0.74% respectively. Crude rose by 1.2% to close at $98.30 a barrel. Gold rose by 1.5% to close at $1,508 an ounce. No major economic data is expected today. The euro fell against the dollar and the yen on concern that the debt crisis in Europe will deepen. German PPI came out at 1% better than expected, 0.60%. The euro dollar is facing serious support between 141 and 140.80. If the pair breaks below this level, it may decline to 140. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 141.38 and a high of 143.44. Today, manufacturing PMI is expected at 57.60 versus 58 prior. The pound strengthened against the dollar and the euro after the ECB said it would no longer accept Greek sovereign debt. Next resistance on the 4-hour chart is at 163. If the pair crosses this line, perhaps the pound will continue to rise towards 163.70 or even more. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 161.65 and a high of 163.04. No major economic data is expected today. The yen weakened versus the dollar after the interest rate decision came out unchanged at 0.10%. The dollar yen is struggling at 82. As long as the pair is trading below this level, a short position is preferred. But once the pair breaks above it, 82, it might rise to 83 or even 83.50. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 81.47 and a high of 81.85. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. The CAD fell against the dollar as crude oil stalled. According to the 4-hour chart, the pair is facing resistance at 0.9750. If it breaks below this level, it might then jump to 0.9825 and then to 0.99. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9640 and a high of 0.9771. No major economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all your trading needs.